Hi guys! A blessed day to everyone and welcome sa aking kusina. For today's cooking video, ang aking lulutuin ay ang sauce for this ravioli. Itong ravioli ay nabili ko lang siya sa supermarket. So, we're not going to do it from scratch. Kailangan natin siyang pakuluan. Before we start, first we need to prepare and collect all the ingredients. First ingredient is Swiss brown mushroom for about 125 grams. Kailangan din natin ng sibuyas. So, tira ko lang to from yesterday para hindi masayang. Gamitin ko na. Just wanna show you kung gaano kagulo ang aking fridge. Wala pa akong time mag-ayos. Okay, next. Kailangan din po natin ng perfect pasta. You can also use heavy cream or double cream as substitute. To add more flavor, I want to use bacon. So, optional lang to siya guys. Pero kung gusto nyong mas malasa yung sauce, magandang idagdag yung bacon. So, ang gamit ko is bacon bits. Ito lang yung binibili ko from supermarket para hindi na mahirap maghiwa-hiwa. Okay, and then we also need garlic. For additional ingredients, kailangan natin ng parsley. So, dried parsley. And then, para maging maanghang ng konti, we will add red pepper. So, baka kulangin yung isa kasi paubos na. And then, we need pepper. Hanapin lang natin siya. Where are you? Ano ba yung pepper? Ayan. Ito po ang ating black pepper. Okay, so una, hugasan muna natin yung ating Swiss brown mushroom. After, we cut out the stem. Okay, then after we slice the mushroom, huwag lang masyadong manipis kasi nag-shrink after maluto. After slicing the mushrooms, next, we dice the onion. So, balatan lang natin and take out yung bad part. Next, chop natin yung bawang. para sa ating bacon. So, hindi naman natin to lahat kailangan. So, mag-take out lang tayo ng portion. So, kahit konti lang na bacon. And then, yung kalahati, since hindi pa naman siya na-defrost, babalik natin siya sa freezer. Okay, next, magpapakulo na tayo ng tubig. Kapag kumulo na yung tubig, ilagay na natin yung ravioli and then follow lang yung instruction kung ilang minutes natin siya pakuluan. And then para hindi ma-overcook, pwede tayong mag-set ng timer to 3 minutes. Ayan, after 3 minutes, pwede na natin siyang tanggalin sa tubig. And then we set aside. Okay, so kapag mainit na yung ating kawali, lagay lang ng konting olive oil or any kind of oil. And then, lutuin na natin yung ating bacon. Okay, so kapag crispy na yung ating bacon, pwede mo na siyang tanggalin from pan. Then, ilipat muna natin siya sa isang bowl. And then, we set aside. Tapos, sunod na natin yung ating mushroom. So, iayos lang natin siya ng maigi sa kawali. And then, we leave it for 2 minutes without touching. So, yan yung tips sa pagluluto ng mushroom, guys. So, wag lang natin siyang haluin ng haluin kasi once we mixed it, magtutubig yung mushroom and hindi magiging maganda yung kanyang pagkaluto. Okay, so kapag pantay-pantay na yung pagka-brown ng mushroom, we add a bit of salt and pepper. And then haluin lang natin ulit for a few minutes. And then we transfer into a bowl and then we set aside. In the same pan, so lagyan lang natin ng kunting olive oil and then garlic for about 1 minute. Next is onion. So cook until translucent. Okay, so after a few minutes, magbigay tayo ng kunting milk. So fresh milk yung gamit ko dito. And then yung pasta sauce. And we mix it. Gawin na natin hanggang sa mag-simmer. Yan, kapag kumukulo na siya, a bit of salt, pepper, parsley, red pepper, yan, so medyo nagtithicken na yung sauce natin, no? Next is yung ating crispy bacon na niluto kanina, and mushroom. So haluin lang natin siyang mabuti para magpantay yung lasa. Okay, and lastly, ilagay na natin yung ating ravioli, and then we just mix it gently kasi guys, medyo delicate yung ravioli, baka mag-burst, kaya dahan-dahan lang natin siyang ihalo. Okay guys, that's it. I think luto na itong ating ravioli with creamy sauce. I hope you learned something today from my cooking, and I hope to see you again on my next cooking vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless all of you. Bye-bye.